In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a domain on Hostinger, and more importantly, what your actual options are when it comes to removing a domain from your account. A lot of people look for a delete button inside Hostinger, but because of domain registry rules, domains can't simply be deleted instantly like a regular product. Don't worry though, I'll walk you through the correct way to cancel it, request a refund if you're eligible, or turn off auto renewal so it expires properly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Hostinger tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once you're there, click on Login in the top right corner and sign into your Hostinger account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Hostinger dashboard, also known as hPanel. This is where you manage your hosting plans, domains, billing, and account settings. Now here's the important part. Domains are regulated by official domain registries, which means they cannot be permanently deleted from the system immediately after registration. However, you do have two main options. If the domain is still within the refund period, you can cancel it and request a refund. If it's outside the refund window, you can disable auto renewal and allow the domain to expire at the end of the billing cycle. To get started, look at the left-hand menu inside your Hostinger dashboard and click on Billing. This section shows all of your active subscriptions, including hosting plans and domain registrations. Once you're inside the billing area, locate the domain you want to delete or cancel from your account. Next to your domain, you'll see a small redirection arrow or Manage button. Click on that arrow to open the detailed view for that specific domain subscription. This will show you payment details, renewal dates, and renewal settings. If your domain is still refundable, you should see an option to cancel or request a refund. Follow the cancellation steps provided on the screen. Confirm the cancellation request, and Hostinger will process the refund according to their policy. Once the refund is completed, the domain will no longer remain active under your account. If your domain is not refundable, don't worry, you can still stop it from renewing. In the Domain Details section, find the Auto Renewal setting. Make sure that Auto Renewal is turned off. If it's currently enabled, toggle it off so that Hostinger will not charge you again when the renewal date arrives. After turning off Auto Renewal, the domain will stay active until the end of its current registration period. Once it reaches the expiration date, it will eventually expire and be removed from your active services. Keep in mind that after expiration, there is usually a short grace period where renewal is still possible, followed by a redemption period depending on the domain extension. It's also important to understand that deleting a domain does not automatically delete any hosting files or email accounts connected to it. If you have a website or email services attached, make sure to back up your data before letting the domain expire. Otherwise, visitors won't be able to access your site once the domain is no longer active. So just to quickly recap, you cannot instantly delete a domain due to registry rules, but you can cancel it for a refund if you're eligible or turn off auto renewal and allow it to expire naturally. The key steps are going to Hostinger, logging into your dashboard, clicking on Billing, selecting your domain using the redirection arrow, and then either requesting cancellation or disabling auto renewal. And that's it. That's how you delete or properly cancel a domain on Hostinger the right way in 2026. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger guides, website tutorials, and step-by-step tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.